In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect the Google Colab with VS Code. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to open VS Code like this, and then you want to go over here on the left where you can see extensions. Click on that, and you want to go to the search box and type in Colab. Now, whenever you do that, click on the Colab button over here, and then click on Install. Now, this is going to install it. For the first time you do this, you're going to have to confirm a few things. It's super simple, takes less than half a minute, and then whenever you do this, you'll see there's now going to be a Colab icon over here on the left, so just click on that, and from here right now it's going to say no assigned Colab servers and nothing. So what you have to do to basically now connect this and use it, you have to go to File, top left, New File, and create a new Jupyter Notebook file. So I'm going to click on this one over here. There we go. Then you want to click on top right where it says Select Kernel. So I'm going to click on here, and I'm going to click on Colab. You have three options to basically connect this extension. I'm going to click on Auto Connect, and it's going to prompt you to basically sign in using Google. So I'm going to click on Allow, and then of course I'm going to open up a external website. I'm going to click on Open. There we go. It's going to open up over here. You have to basically click on a Google account you want to use, and then press continue over here, and now you have to allow it. So I'm going to click on Allow over here. And whenever this happens, you'll see, there we go, you can go back and open Visual Studio Code, which of course I have done already. I have it over here, and there we go. It's going to say open over here. There we go. And yeah, I've successfully connected my Google Colab over here with VS Code, okay? You can then go ahead and of course keep on doing things over here. You can select stuff and like this. And yeah, there we go. That's how you can connect this. And I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.